Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2016 Hyundai Accent. This car is very clean. It was a one-owner car. It's well maintained. Tires are like new on it. And if you haven't had the chance to drive an Accent, you really got to get down here. I tell you, for a car in this price range, it drives super well. It is very clean. This one does have your keyless entry. You see that it is very clean. The Accent is a pretty good sized car. For a car that's getting 37 miles to the gallon, it's really got a lot of room. One thing I've always liked with the Accent is how the material that they put in their trunk, it's very durable. So you don't have to worry about tearing it up when you throw your stuff in it. You do have the 60/40 rear folding rear seats there. Again, tons of trunk room. For a car in this class, it really has a lot of room. I can't get over how spacious this thing is. When you look in here, you can see that it is very roomy. You can fit 3 people back here pretty comfortably. You do have your netting on your back seat for storage back there. This one does have all of your power options. You have the height adjustable driver seat there, side airbags. This one does have traction control, and it does have the active eco mode, which is going to maximize your fuel economy to get you to that 37 miles per gallon. You do have your AM/FM CD player there. You have USB auxiliary inputs there. Of course, this one is the automatic with your Tiptronic option, so you can shift your gears. I find that very helpful going up and down mountains. Makes it really nice. Have your folding armrest there for your driver. Again, very efficient, drives very well, and at under $10,000, it is a great value. 37 miles to the gallon, 54,000 miles, and under $10,000. One owner car here. Don't miss it, guys. Get down here quick. This one does have some factory warranty left on it. And at City Motors, we don't have any processing fees. No processing fees at all. I know a lot of places you get blindsided by $500 to $1,500 by the time you get to the business office. That's not going to happen here. We don't have processing fees. And you can call us or text us anytime at 540-433-7335. Don't miss this one owner 37 mile per gallon Accent, guys. Get here quick. Thanks for stopping by.